Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. It's a good thing that you're here today and I'm sure you'll be getting so much value. So if you're someone who is interested on how devices works, be it your mobile device, your tablet, your laptop, I assure you that this is the channel for you. With that said, we can move into the business for the day. You're most welcome, and after watching this video, I'd want you to do one thing, and that's why I want you to hang on this video, give this video a like, a thumbs up just like this, and you can also share and or comment in the comment section below how to create an email. With that said, let me move directly to the business of the day. So in today's video, I'll be telling you the simple process, step-by-step process on how to create a working and functional email. Irrespective of wherever you are or your country, you need a working email. So, but before I show us the step-by-step simple process to creating an email, I would also like to tell you some things about email. Now, what is an email? An email is an electronic mail, just like when you receive your newsletter on your mailbox. But this time you're receiving it electronically on your email address. I'm going to show us how to create one. So, with that said, also, I would also like us to know there are three common mail you will encounter. It's either a Google mail, that's an email you created with Google. It's going to end with the extension at gmail.com, or the one you created with Yahoo, which will be ending with the extension of at yahoomail.com. Whatever it is, the prefix. The prefix can be your name or anything you want, your nickname or anything, but it should be something that you are identified with at gmail.com, at Yahoo Mail. Then the third, which is not so common but though used, is your Hotmail. Okay, it's formerly called Hotmail. Presently now it's called Outlook. This is at outlook.com. This is an email from Microsoft. So these are the most common popular forms of email you would see people use. So why have an email? Now your email is like your electronic address. Basically, there's nothing you can do online. There's no registration, no signing up, no creating of account that you can hardly do without email, and in most cases with email verification. Let me put it this way: your email is your internet property. It's like your house. It's like your personal address online. So, and for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Gmail account. A Gmail account. Why Gmail? Because Gmail is widely used, is commonly used. But irrespective of the email you are creating, they will all serve the same purpose and they service each other. And again, why I would recommend Gmail is because if you're using an Android OS, so to say, you would need a Gmail address for you to maximize the functions of the Gmail. And I'm going to be showing us some of the functions of this Gmail, or which in my subsequent video. You being on YouTube, most likely you have a Gmail account, so that's why you're able to view this video at this point in time. So stick on with me as I show you the simple process to create an email address. So, for the purpose of this video, I am going to create a Gmail account, a Google Mail account. This is practically simple because Gmail is one of the most widely used email address. So I am going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can create a Gmail account, and this method works for any. Their processes are similar, whether you're creating a Yahoo Mail account or the Microsoft form of account. So all of them work the same. So I'm going to Google, just search Gmail. Okay, so once the page comes up, I am going to log on to, you see create email. It seems a bit lighter than these other options because I have created an email recently. So I'm going to click on create Gmail account. Once this page comes up, it takes me to Google instructional page. Tells me all I need to know about Gmail. You can actually go through that before creating your own account, but for the purpose of this video, we won't be able to go through, so that the video will not be long. We'll just go to create an account. Okay, so it brings out this page that looks like a form where you will have to put your details, for the creation of your Gmail account. Where you have to put your details for the creation of account, you can see first name, last name, username, which will be the email, your email address by the end of the day. So I'm going to create a Gmail account for my blog. So the name of the blog is dozyhub.com. So let's say first name I say Dozy, then last name I say Hub. Then if this username is taken, I can't be able to use that. Okay, it suggested hubdozy1@gmail.com. So if I go with this, it means this automatically becomes my email address. But there are other suggestions available. This name has not been used. If it was used, it will give me this box will be red. It will show me a red bar that this username is not available. But this username is available right now. So, but I don't like this email. This is not how I want my email to look like. So I'll go with this option because by default, this is what I would have selected. So I'll go with dozyhub@gmail.com. So we put our password. We said use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters and special characters. So okay, so if you are not sure of the password you used, you can click on show password. This will show you the password you used for this account. So this is what my password looks like. It started with a capital 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's exactly 8 characters. There is a capital letter, there's a uppercase, lowercase, special and numbers. I can put a special character. Let's say a special character like okay, that's a special character hash or @ these are special characters which will make the password stronger. So it will make the password stronger. Let's say this is my password now. Let's say this becomes, I'll copy and come to confirm, and then I'll paste it here right away. So once I paste it, I click on next. I click on next. So guys, I want us to understand, but right now I don't know why the instruction is not actually coming up. The option is not coming up. While creating a Gmail account, you might be faced with 3 questions: for my business, personal, or for my child. So this, as the name implies, serves different purposes. Now for the purpose of business, it's going to give you additional features of business like meetings and all that. But for personal, if you're creating a personal account, then there won't be need for that. So it's asking me to put a number. It will send me a verification code to this number that I will use to further create this account. So right here is asking for a recovery email. If you want to put a recovery email, you can put. If not, you wouldn't put. And while creating a personal Gmail account, if you're not creating for your child or for your business, even though your business started 5 years ago, it won't be in the best interest to to use 5 years ago. Or okay, for business there could be exceptions, but for personal account, Gmail knows that someone that is 5 years old can never own an account, can never own an email address. So automatically the account will not, it will be blocked immediately as you further. So I choose month. As this is a personal account, I will choose particular month, April 14, 1994. So gender, I will choose male. Then we'll go to next. So okay, send me a verification code. I've confirmed. So this is Google terms of services and conditions. So once I click on agree, I already have my this Gmail account created. Gmail account we just created loading up. This is the new account loading up. So okay, as we can see, we are right inside our new account and we have our very first mail sent to us from the Google team. Let's see what it says. Okay, so here is a message from Google that says, "Hi Dozie, welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps, and services. Here are a few tips to get started." So guys, once you create your email address, this is exactly how it's going to be like. And with time, I will show us how we will customize this email account. And if you are interested to see the videos, how to personalize your email, and show you some of the things you can do to personalize your email, just subscribe and follow on my video. If you found value in this video, like I said before I started, the right gesture would be to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and you can also share to friends. In my agency, I teach aged people on how to use their mobile devices, and many of them find this email creation difficult. So maybe you have a community of people who are not so exposed. So it would be nice if you share this video with them. Thank you for watching.